Today we're doing some boat canvas repair. When you get a hole like this, we're going to show you how to fix that. Sometimes boat canvas like this, when it gets older, it becomes brittle and it gets really thin. Like this one here is like paper thin. And what I try to do for my customers, and these covers are going to be really expensive if I have to make a new one. So I offered that I would do these patches for them. They might get another year or two of use out of it anyway. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So the customers identified an area here that got weak. There was a snap here. Well, I guess it looked a lot like this. A snap with a nylon pull. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do that one first. That way you can get an idea how I do it. We found a color of vinyl that he really liked. So this is marine vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and make patches out of this stuff. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll use the canvas, the Sunbrella name brand, I guess. That's a famous name brand everybody knows. So I'll order that in the same color to make the patches. But today we're using the vinyl. What I use is a spray glue. I put glue on everything, so that way it also helps to hold it together extra special, instead of just sewing a dry patch. Contact adhesive, right? In the gun, the cheapo Harbor Freight gun. Don't know the number of the tip. It's the tip that comes with the gun. Those are the questions I always get asked whenever they see me use spray glue. And it's contact adhesive. The yellow stuff you can probably buy it at the big box stores. I mark where the snap hole used to be. That way I know where to put the new snap. Not necessary to wait 5 minutes to put the two sides together for contact adhesive when you're going soft to soft. I'll mark where the snap was, right there. We'll go ahead and sew this on there. And then we'll put the snap back. I got it pre-marked right there. And there we go. Just like that. That's the first one. Now for this type of a hole right here, where it's out in like in the middle area, not on an edge, take this off. He just marked it for me where he wants the repairs done. So I'll make a patch that'll go right over the top like that. I'll make another one here for the back. It goes on the back like that. So start gluing. I'm just marking where the edge is of the one on the top side. That way I can align the one on the bottom without guessing. Okay, so now we're not guessing. So what you just witnessed was technique number 4822. Okay. So we'll just line up the bottom patch, make sure that none of those marks that I drew on there, that none of them are showing. So now we got the canvas sandwiched between the two pieces of vinyl. We're going to start sewing this patch on here. And this is how I do it. So you're going to be witnessing another technique here in a second. And that technique would be technique number 248. What that is when you're sewing in something in a circle like this, you know, you can continue to keep wrapping the material all the way around. You can do it that way, sure. You know, there's always more than one way to do everything, right? But what I'm trying to show you here is this technique, where you just rotate it a half turn. And what you do is you hold down your reverse and you're sewing backwards. And you're saying, what? Sewing backwards? How crazy is that? But you know what? You'll notice that I didn't have to feed a whole bunch of material through the machine. And the result is the same. Maybe you could use that one. And it'll help you out somewhere in the future. So we got the back side here, as well as the front side now. Let me know what you think about that one in the comments. I think you're getting it now, right? Well, I looked all around this thing and I think got every one. I didn't see any more. And I did find a couple that he didn't mark that I went ahead and did for him anyway. So anyway, like I was saying,